Hey everybody, I'm going to show you how to set up video notes in your Dolphin Google Drive account. This is going to be a tool we're going to use for a few activities over the semester, but you might also find this tool super useful in other situations. So to get started, what you want to do is log into My CI, and once you're there, you're going to want to go to the CI Docs link. This is going to take us to the Google Drive that's associated with your CSUCI email address. You can double check it by looking over on the left hand side. You'll see your CSUCI email name, and then you'll also see Dolphin Pod over here on the left hand side, and I'm on Drive. What you're going to need to do next is click the Create button, and we're going to associate an app, in particular video notes, with your Google Drive. You can see that mine's already done, but that's okay. I'm going to walk you through how to do yours. What you're going to want to do is click Connect More Apps, and when that comes in under the search area, just type in video, and you'll see video notes. Now mine is green and it says rate it because I'm already using it, but yours will say something like this, connect. What you're going to want to do is click on that connect button. So I'll just do another one just so that we can walk through it. And then generally it'll say, are you sure you want to connect this to your Google Drive? And you click OK. And now that becomes an application that you can use in addition to all the other great applications and tools in Google Drive. Alright, now that I've got that set up, the next process is to set up a folder where I'm going to put all these videos. So again, I'm going back to Create. I'm going to create a new folder, and I'm going to call this Video Notes, and click Create. Now I have a video notes folder here in my Google Drive for my CSUCI account. I'm going to click on Video Notes folder and open it up. Right now I don't have anything, but I'm going to start by creating a new section for video notes. And you'll notice it opens in a new tab, and it gives you two things. One, on the left hand side is a place to put the video URL, or the web address for the video that you want to watch and take notes on. On the right hand side is a place to take notes. I can change the title. In this case, I'm going to watch Sir Ken Robinson's video on school and creativity, and I'm going to click Save. I already have the URL on my clipboard, meaning I have already copied it, and now I'm ready to paste it. So you're going to want to have a URL video ready to go when you set this up. So now I'm just going to paste that URL in there, and I'm going to click Load Video. Now what I can do is on the right hand side, I can say Notes on video however I want. You'll notice that the timestamp is 000 because I haven't started playing the video yet. So now I'm going to start playing, and I'm going to turn the volume down on this just so that I can talk while this is going on, and you'll notice that I'm back over on the right hand side where I'm taking notes. If I hit the return or enter key, it takes me down a line, and I can notice that it says that this is on Sir Ken and Changing Paradigms. And then I hit enter. And if you notice, the timestamp is right now 1:17 where I took that last note. So as the video progresses, I can continue to take notes, and obviously when you're listening to the video, it is actually easier to take notes, but I can say that public education has had certain directions for educating a workforce There's all kinds of things. But if you'll notice, now I'm going to pause the video. And I can pause the video and continue to take more notes. But you'll notice that on the timestamps here, all of these relate to the time stamp of the video where I was taking those notes. And the great thing about this is that when you go back, you can re-look at this and you can click on any of these areas here and you'll notice that it takes you back to the particular timestamp where you took those notes. So I'm just going to click Save Notes just to make sure everything's saved. And if I go back to my Google Drive, I'll see that it says Sir Ken Robinson. So let me just go ahead and close this tab for right now, because when I click on this, this is my video notes. Okay, so Google doesn't really know how to natively open it, which makes sense. So I'm going to click here on video notes because it's my connected app, so now it knows what to do with it. And as it loads up, you'll see that it loads all my notes and it loads up the video. And if I click on any of these note areas, it'll take me to that place in the timestamp in the video. So we're going to do this for a few videos. One of the things I want you to make sure that you do, I'm going to close this so I'm looking back at Drive, is on the video notes folder, what you're going to need to do is you need to share, and you're going to need to share this with people at Dolphin Pod CSUCI with the link. And then we're going to click Save, so that what you're going to do is you're going to send me, so I'm copying this link up here to share, you're going to email me that link. That way I can look in your folder and I can grade the video notes assignments that I give you. So if you have any questions, there'll be a place in our discussion area for Q&A, and feel free, or we can discuss this sometime in class. So happy note taking.